Connect the new Odometrics Matson A450 to your computer and click on the Odo Suite icon on your computer to open your interface. As a standard, you will reach the tone audiometry screen. With the Matson A450 audiometer, you have two test modalities, tone and speech. They are both shown at the top of your screen. In the center of your screen, you see the audiogram. If you prefer to focus on one ear instead of two ears, you change the setting like this. Or change it back to a combined view like this. In the center above your audiogram, you see the frequency. On the left side of the audiogram, you see the ear you are testing and the level you are testing with. To the right, you see the masking level on the other ear. The control panel is on the left side of the screen. This is the main part of the software interface, and it is from here that you operate the device. You also have the option of navigating via shortcuts on your keyboard. To start the air conduction test, you click AC here in the control panel, and then select the ear you want to test. Alternatively, you can select the letter R or L on your keyboard. Here, I am going to test the right ear. Air conduction has been selected with tone audiometry and pulsed stimulus. To change your selection, you simply click again. When the box with the icon is selected, it turns yellow. Finally, we have the test condition, audiometry, which is actually the threshold measurement. Alternatively, you can select MCL, the most comfortable level, or the UCL, the uncomfortable level. Next, here are the settings related to masking. To set the masking level, you use your keyboard. Press M to activate, and then Shift and up or down arrows to change the level. When activated, the masking level turns green. And here at the bottom, you find the buttons Talk Forward, also accessed via F on your keyboard, and Monitor Levels that help you adjust the level in your headset when you want to communicate with the patient, as well as the talkback levels for hearing the patient responses. The Test Selector is a shortcut to the user test protocols you have created yourself, or those that are already loaded by default in the device. An additional option for accessing this is to use the F8 key on your keyboard. That was the control panel. The right side of the screen provides options that you can add to your screen. These include counseling options, as well as calculations like the PTA, Pure Tone Average. You can also compare previously measured or entered audiograms. Just click the date of the audiogram you want to see and select the Difference box, and the evolution of the hearing loss will be displayed in a manner that will resonate well with your clients. There are also multiple overlays. These are used to counsel clients and explain, for example, the severity of the hearing loss, or to show with pictures what kind of sound you are talking about. Use the speech banana or the speech letters, or combine them if you prefer. The unusable area is also very practical to explain to the patient what he can and cannot hear, and what sounds are outside of the comfortable range as measured by UCL. If you want to perform a speech test after your tone testing, just click the tab here to reach the speech test modality. Like with tone, you have the control panel to the left. For additional context-sensitive help, select the F1 on your keyboard, and you will be directed to the built-in help guide for the area you are currently working with. Finally, if you want to change general settings, go to Tools in your top menu. Click on Options or use the shortcut Ctrl+M. For instance, here you can create your user test as mentioned before, just by clicking on the icon Save as User Test. Alternately, you can select the Save options as startup settings to program the settings that you want selected every time you launch your software.